guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install Disney Plus application on your Amazon tablet. So in the first step we have to open the Google Chrome, then look for the Disney Plus APK file. Sorry, I have to switch to mobile network. And now choose APK Pure and choose Download APK. Remember, this is an official store, so you can download also an antivirus file. Tap on the Download APK again. And now we can download it by the Google Chrome or APK Pure if you have this application. I have, so I can choose the APK Pure. Okay, we're done, so we can tap on the install. And now we can open the application. And that's it. As you can see, we have a Disney Plus on your Amazon tablet. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.